Have you seen the new AgileWoW prompt library for facilitators? It's, like having a behind-the-scenes co-facilitator that helps you design smarter meetings.
Yeah, absolutely. Right. It covers everything from brainstorming meeting agendas to customizing icebreakers for different groups.
Exactly. It's designed to work not just with ChatGPT, but with any generative AI tool. Think Gemini, Claude, even Microsoft Copilot.
Correct. And that's huge because it means you're not locked into one system. It opens up a world of possibilities when planning things like retrospectives or strategy offsites.
Yeah, preparation is everything, right? Imagine being able to quickly draft a 90-minute retrospective agenda that includes diverging and converging activities, a check-in, and a wrap-up all at once.
Right on, it's powerful because it adapts to different scenarios. One moment you're planning a high-energy icebreaker for a virtual team that's never worked together, and the next you're generating reflection questions for a high-stakes design session.
Mm-hmm. And the fun part is you can even tailor the prompts. It allows variations like create a half-day agenda for a leadership strategy session or suggest energizers for a 2-hour
Yeah, I love
online
that
meeting.
flexibility. And then there's the aspect of drafting debrief questions. That's crucial. It lets you capture the essence of a session by asking powerful, neutral questions.
Exactly. It's like unlocking a toolbox for every meeting need. For instance, if you have a tense session, the prompts even suggest non-confrontational ways to ask about underlying concerns.
Uh-huh, that sensitivity is key. I also like that it encourages you to treat generative AI as a co-creator rather than a final answer. You can iterate with commands like make it more fun or include introverts.
Mm-hmm. Spot on. It's like you're setting up the structure, but you're still in the driver's seat with empathy and situational awareness.
Right, human insight still wins the day. There's a really interesting balance there. It empowers you, yet you're not being replaced by the machine. But I do wonder, doesn't this risk making the process a bit too formulaic at times?
That's a fair point. However, the library emphasizes iterative prompts, so you're encouraged to modify and personalize the generated content. It's like having a blueprint, but still adding your personal touch, your architectural flair, if you will.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense. And then there's the part about summarizing session notes. I mean, converting a long chat transcript into three key takeaways and two action items can shave off hours.
Exactly. It's all about efficiency. You can even have it write a friendly follow-up email with all the main decisions and next steps.
That's super handy. It almost feels like it elevates your facilitation game from manual mode, where you're hustling to capture every detail, to mastery mode.
Yeah, shifting from manual to mastery, definitely. The system really helps you streamline everything, be it planning group activities or even co-creating working agreements and group norms.
Right, that's a solid upgrade. And think about virtual collaboration. Coming up with norms across time zones has never been easier. The AI can help scaffold norms that support virtual teamwork seamlessly.
Precisely. It's like, with each prompt, you're saving time while deepening engagement. Whether drafting agenda items or mapping out liberating structures for clarifying shared purpose, it's all
Yes,
in
indeed.
there.
But here's a challenge. Do you think leaning so heavily on templates might uh, dampen the creative spontaneity that sometimes drives breakthrough discussions?
I get that concern. However, the iterative nature of the prompts means you can always ask, make it more fun, or adjust for more spontaneity. It's like a muse that you can sculpt rather than a rigid script.
That's reassuring. And beyond the templates, isn't it cool that you can save and tag your best prompts in Notion or a voice memo for future sessions? That turns every meeting into a learning opportunity.
Absolutely. It creates a living library of facilitation practices that evolves as your team grows.
Yep, that's really empowering. Not to mention the AgileWoW training events. Their professional Scrum facilitation skills workshop lets you dive deep into these tools and really master this new wave of facilitation.
Exactly. It's like putting theory into practice. Working hands-on with AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini helps you really understand how to augment your facilitation in real time.
Definitely. And it reinforces the idea that with AI on your side, you're not just solving the agenda puzzle, you're creating an engaging, reflective, and dynamic space for your team.
Right. It's all about designing smarter, engaging deeper, and reflecting better. With these prompts, you're set to craft a session that's not only efficient, but also truly transformative.
Absolutely correct. I really appreciate how the library seamlessly integrates with our need for personalization and adaptability. It makes every session a tailored experience.
Yes, it's like having an extra brain assisting your creative process, ensuring you hit all the right notes from start to finish.
That extra brain is pretty vital. And with the bonus tips to treat AI as a co-creator, you're reminded that your facilitation is still very much human. It augments your skills rather than replacing them.
Exactly. And that balance is what elevates our outcomes. When you have clarity in your agenda, thoughtful icebreakers, and well-crafted debrief questions, your session flows naturally, and the team benefits immensely.
That's the heart of it. So, in the end, this AgileWoW library seems to be a perfect companion for any facilitator looking to boost their agility and creativity. It really champions efficient, thoughtful preparation.
Yeah, it does. It's like you're shifting gears from, painstaking manual prep to a smooth, iterative process where AI helps you focus on what matters most, engaging and empowering your team.
Totally, that's the future of facilitation. And with ongoing AgileWoW events like Agile Leadership Day India or Scrum Day India, there's plenty of opportunities to learn and connect with others who are on this journey.
Indeed, it's an ecosystem where continuous improvement isn't just a buzzword, it's lived in every session you facilitate.
Absolutely, it's inspiring. It's exciting to see how these tools are transforming the way facilitators prepare and engage. Thanks for walking through this. It's been an enlightening chat.
My pleasure. It's all about embracing innovation while staying true to our human touch in facilitation. Here's to mastering that balance, one prompt at a time.
Cheers to that.